Good morning. We live in a cypress swamp. You can hear all the noise around here. And I knew eventually there would be a tree that would need to come down that would be out in the swamp where you can't get a bucket truck. And I always wondered, how exactly does that work? So the way this works is the spider monkey, that's what I'll call them, puts a line around the tree, and it is attached to a harness on their body, and they have spikes on their feet, and they actually climb up the tree. They take two lines with them. One line is for them to lower themselves when they're done, and the other line is to lower pieces of wood as they cut them. As they cut each piece of wood, it's attached to the line and looped over something higher so that the wood can swing back down toward the trunk and fall right under where the tree was instead of, say, falling on your house. And the other line is for rappelling themselves down, and sometimes they swap back and forth with the two lines, but always they have the line around the tree, and always they have their feet in the cleats that hold them to the tree, and they're up there hanging on to a chainsaw that is running. So very exciting process. This tree that needed to come down was of the oak variety, and the house is all cypress, built from cypress here on the property. The process of dropping the pieces was absolutely fascinating. The tree guy was way up there, about 75 feet up in the tree, and at the same time we had some workers right there rebuilding the porch on the side of the house. So they were underneath the house, so they were pretty safe as all of this was going on, as all of this wood was being dropped right here. Absolutely fascinating. Learned so much. It's always a pleasure to watch people who are really good at what they do work. I like to see the efficiency. I like to see the coordination. I like to hear what the commands are and what they actually, how they communicate and how they accomplish their goals. Always fascinating to see that happen. In this case, wow, it was heart-stopping. He climbed the tree, took a conference call, and sat there for about 20 minutes on a conference call, cool as a cucumber, and then finally started loafing at different parts and bringing it down section by section. Then he stopped and actually took another call. We've already processed some of the wood. Bill got the chainsaw out and the saw on a stick. Chopped some of it up and it is in the wood pile now, and we are considering this is a lot bigger than it looks. This is about 2 feet across right there. That's about 2 feet across, and we're considering whether we want to get a splitter or if we only want to take the pieces that are small enough to go into our wood burning fire. Thanks to Tony Vestal and the crew with Timber Falls. Oh my gosh, that was really something, learning how you climb a tree and bring it down while you are in the tree. Thank you so much. Without you, that we don't know for sure that that tree would not have landed on the house. And also, we have a lot of nice firewood for the coming winter. Wouldn't you know, before Tony left, of course, we gave him a North American Rescue bleeding control kit, one of these with the cat tourniquet in it, and a secondary tourniquet. Also gave him a 5-minute bleeding control class, and also highly suggested that he takes a crisis medicine course.
I'll leave a discount code below.
This coming week, we are going to be demolishing 2 houses. That should be really, really interesting. So please subscribe so you don't miss the next week's video. And we will have our bleeding control kit probably no more than about 8 to 10 feet from us at all times, as always, when we're operating equipment around the house. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and can't wait to show you this coming weekend's. Wow, demolishing 2 houses. This should be something. See you next week. Bye.